Nature will never judge you, but she will both challenge and care for you. The nature-informed therapist, I have a holistic, evidence-based approach that blends IFS therapy and ecosomatic. I specialize in season syncing and earth and ancestral spirituality integration with focus areas in anxiety, sad, grief, trauma, identity, and self-esteem. Nurturing a relationship with the living world is a vessel for healing to take place, rooting and proliferating into the areas of life you most need it. Attachment was never meant to be species-bound.